Not every trader works the same way, and not every trading style suits every person. Today on PU Prime, I'm going to break down the three main styles of trading, what they actually mean in practice, and how to figure out which one fits the way you think and the time you have available. So let's get into it. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. So I'm on PU Prime's web trader and I want to talk about the three main trading styles: scalping, intraday trading and swing trading. Understanding the difference between these is one of the most important things you can do early in your trading journey, because the style you choose affects everything: the time frame you look at, how long you hold a trade, how often you're at your screen, and the kind of setups you're looking for. Now, scalping is the fastest of the three. A scalper is in and out of trades within minutes, sometimes seconds. They're working on very low time frames, the 1 minute, the 5-minute chart, and they're looking for small, quick moves that add up over a high volume of trades throughout the day. The upside is that you're never exposed to the market overnight and your risk per trade is very small. The challenge is that it requires intense focus, it's fast decision making and a very tight process. It's not for everyone, and it's certainly not where most beginners should start. As you can see, if you were trading this one here, which we'll get to later, it lasted 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes, very quick in and out, 2.3R. If you're trading on intraday, it's a bit longer, but we'll get to that. So scalping, very quick, very in and out. Tends to be a lower win rate, but if you sharpen your edge, you can do very well. Intraday trading sits in the middle. An intraday trader opens and closes all positions within the same trading day. So no trades left open overnight. They're typically working on 15-minute, 30-minute or 1-hour charts and looking for cleaner, more structured moves than a scalper. This style gives you more time to think through your decisions and scalping while still keeping you fully flat at the end of each day. For someone who can commit a few focused hours to the market each day, this is often a very practical starting point. And as you can see, if you were to take a trade like this, where you're just filling in the leg, this trade took just under 2 hours long. If you're stretching it out for the full move, this could take almost the full day. And then swing trading is the longest of the three time frames, right? A swing trader is looking to hold positions for days, sometimes weeks, targeting larger moves in the market. They work primarily on the 4-hour and the daily charts, using the bigger picture narrative to identify where price is heading over a longer period. The advantage here is that you do not need to be watching the screen constantly. You do your analysis, place a trade, set your stop and target, and let the market do the work. This suits people who can't dedicate hours every day to being at their charts, but still want to be actively involved in the markets. And the thing with swing traders is they often have multiple positions open at once. So let's say they take a sell here and then price comes down below that last point of liquidity and they enter here. You can be in 2 trades at once, which basically allows you to have 2 positions open. Now, they manage things a little differently. They can close out positions that they think are going to reverse because they have a bigger picture, but also they've caught a lot of cash on the way. But as you can see, if you were to enter this trade, it started on the 17th of July and today it is the 29th of July. If you were to be in this trade here, it would have started on the 6th of July and again today is the 29th of July. So you can tend to hold out positions a lot longer. Your commissions aren't really affected in this because your positions are so big. So there are positives to all three. The most important thing to take from this is that none of these three styles is better than the others. The best style for you is the one that matches your lifestyle, your personality, and the amount of time you can genuinely give to trading. So pick the wrong one and you're fighting yourself as much as the market. Pick the right one and the whole process becomes more natural. So it completely comes down to your personality. Something I want to mention here that is directly relevant to what we've just been talking about, especially for swing traders, is PU Prime's 24/7 gold trading feature. Gold is one of the most widely traded markets in the world. It moves on geopolitical developments, central bank decisions, inflation data, global uncertainty, and none of those things stop happening over the weekend. The problem traditionally for gold traders has been that the market closes, and as something significant happens on a Saturday or Sunday, you're stuck waiting till Monday to act. That's a gap that PU Prime have now closed. PU Prime now allows eligible clients to trade gold 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including weekends. The product is listing on MT5 as XAU/USD 247. That means whether you're a swing trader managing a position that was open from Friday, or want to respond to something that is developed over the weekend before the regular market reopens, you can do it. You can open, close, or adjust your gold positions at any point throughout the week without having to wait for Monday morning. For swing traders specifically, this is significant. The position you've been managing all week does not have to be left completely unattended over the weekend. If the market moves against you on a Saturday, you have the ability to manage that rather than coming back to it on Monday, having had no control over what happened. That kind of flexibility changes how you approach gold as a swing trading instrument. PU Prime link is in the description. Search for XAU/USD 247 on MT5 to get started. If trading feels confusing or inconsistent, it might not be your efforts. It might just be a lack of clear direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without all the unnecessary noise. With the Signaler, you get carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, and straight to the point market insights that actually make sense. Every signal is built around discipline and proper risk control. There's no exaggeration and no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on real analysis. And if you want to see the quality for yourself, they offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test the signals before making any commitment. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with a plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, I want to talk about the PU Prime community here, because for anyone who's working out which trading style suits them, which is exactly what this video has been about, being around other active traders who are discussing their approaches in real time is genuinely one of the most useful things available to you. The PU Prime community is built directly into the platform, and it's where traders of all styles and experiences levels share analysis, discuss setups, and talk through what the market is doing every day. When you're figuring out whether you're a scalper, an intraday trader, or a swing trader, seeing how different traders approach the same market from different timeframes and different perspectives is incredibly valuable. You start to understand not just the theory of each style, but what it actually looks like in practice. How someone thinks about a scalp versus how a swing trader is building a narrative on the daily chart. The community is also where you can ask questions, and get genuine responses from active traders rather than trying to piece together answers from videos and articles. There's no paid membership, there's no separate app, there's no gatekeeping. It's part of what you get on PU Prime, and it's worth using properly. Get on PU Prime through the link in the description and explore the community section today. Scalping, intraday, swing. 3 styles, 3 very different ways of being in the market. The right one is the one that fits your life. Get on PU Prime and start exploring which works for you. The link is in the description, and if you want to trade gold over the weekend without waiting for Monday, the 24/7 gold feature is live on PU Prime right now through MT5. All the details and links are in the description below. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.